Today I am reviewing the BLUEAIR air purifiers for large rooms. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're looking for an air purifier that truly delivers clean, fresh air across large spaces, the BLUEAIR Blue Pure 211i Max is one of the top choices on the market today. Designed to cover an impressive 3,048 square feet in just 1 hour, this purifier is ideal for large rooms, open concept living areas, and even small offices. Whether you're dealing with pet dander, allergens, smoke, dust, mold, or viruses, this unit promises to keep your indoor air quality at its best with remarkable efficiency. One of the standout features of the Blue Pure 211i Max is its proprietary HEPASilent technology. This is an advanced dual filtration system that combines mechanical and electrostatic filtration to remove at least 99.97% of airborne particles as small as 0.1 microns. That means it effectively captures viruses, smoke particles, pollen, mold spores, dust mites, and pet dander, all the common culprits that reduce air quality and can trigger allergies or asthma symptoms. What makes HEPASilent even more impressive is that it cleans the air faster and uses less noise and energy than traditional HEPA filters. This combination of speed and quiet operation is a major selling point,